Welcome to i-Techie, and we've got quite a bit in store for you today. We'll start off with an enticing way to finally get you out of bed. Plus, Apple haters finally have to eat their words. And we'll tell you how a soothing color might help soothe your mood. So stay tuned for all that and more coming up on i-Techie. It's a life-giving substance, a juice of vitality, so pure we can't start a day without it. It lubricates our human engine, keeps us from dozing, tastes delicious, and entices our neighbors with its intense aroma. It hailed from Ethiopia, and it soon conquered numerous lands in faraway places. Its modern form is that of our daily cup of coffee, and we worship it. So, here at last, our much-awaited segment about this elixir of daily productivity. It's called Coffee Gadgets. Whether you're short on counter space, an occasional coffee drinker, the only coffee drinker in your home, or simply have a problem getting out of bed, you'll find all the solutions in the Cuisinart DGB 500 12-cup coffee maker. This coffee maker has classic styling, yet it contains the latest and most modern in coffee making technology, making it the centerpiece of anybody's gourmet kitchen. It has a brushed stainless steel exterior and a charcoal water filter that ensures great tasting coffee by removing all the impurities from the water. It also comes with advanced features such as a 24-hour advanced brew setting, an automatic shutoff, a self-cleaning function, all of which make brewing the best-tasting coffee cup super easy.
Strikingly, its digital clock timer is programmable for automatically brewing wake-up coffee at a selected time and for turning off the warming plate up to 4 hours in advance. So every night, you can load up the automatic coffee maker and hear it go off like an engine in the morning.
Sound that can wake the dead with a whiff of ecstasy-inducing coffee. It might not be as nice as Rosie from the Jetsons topping off your daily cuppa, but it's fantastic nonetheless and costs a whole lot less than a robotic maid at just $41 at www.shopping.com.
All you caffeine addicts who fear they'd slip into a coma if they have a decaf by accident. Those who have high blood pressure or insomniacs who just can't get their eyes to shut anymore should probably be avoiding caffeine anyway. However, as many people tend to do, the doctor's advice goes out the window when in the real world of cafes, restaurants, and soda pop machines. Decaf test strips are here to the rescue.
These are strips of paper coated with antibodies that tell you if a beverage is properly decaffeinated, turning up blue lines if it's got more than 20 milligrams of caffeine per 6-ounce serving.
It's available at thinkgeek.com.
Are you another latte lover who hates to spend hundreds of rupees every day for your daily fix at the local coffee shop? Are you sick of your old espresso machine, deprived of a vital frothing option? Can you no longer put up with your cumbersome electrical coffee machines? Then get rid of that frown, because the Aero Latte Portable Milk Frother is coming to froth up your life. Aero Latte's innovative, registered design incorporates a whisking head and a shaft made of food-grade and 18x8 stainless steel.
With no requirement of a pump, wind, or steam, this piddling tool churns your bland coffee milk into the perfect froth for cappuccinos, lattes, mochas, specialty coffees, as well as hot chocolates, malts, and milkshakes within just 20 seconds.
Besides giving you absolute command over how much froth you want, it comes in a convenient travel case that makes the Aero Latte perfect for work, your boat, your RV, and for camping trips. It retails for just $16 on Amazon.com.
No more setting off on a trip and unpacking the basket to find lukewarm coffee or tea. With this revolutionary electric heating flask, you'll never have the unpleasant experience of cold coffee again. And its uses go beyond the road trip.
You can take it to the construction site, boating or anywhere because the flask is powered by the DC outlet in your car or boat.
Even keep your favorite soup hot. The tough brushed aluminium design not only looks stylish, but can take quite a beating. Best of all, it's more affordable than most standard aluminium flasks. Most cups cost over $50 and just don't work well enough for the long haul. It comes in 2 different designs and costs about $41 at midnightshopper.com.
A true techie has made a coffee machine that is controlled and monitored via an attached computer. While the intention may be good and we appreciate trying to incorporate computers into our daily lives, we have to admit that the device looks hideous. And unless you have 6 feet of vertical space next to your computer, I don't think your mom or your spouse is going to be too thrilled about it either. If you like to confuse people, then the music mug might be right up your alley. It looks like something you drink out of, but don't be fooled. This coffee mug-looking device is actually a speaker for portable music players, which the MoMA store touts as a new interpretation of the desktop coffee cup. That's quite a label. Now, the white ceramic mug holds your MP3 player, and the built-in speaker plays your tunes. Simply insert the mini plug into your music device's earphone plug, and you're ready to serve up some quality sound. It's just like walking around with a cup of coffee, but being able to carry music. Thank God somebody finally came up with a portable way to walk around with music.